This is a short guide on how to install a SIM card in the CTM-ONE. Remove the Allen key from the mounting bracket of the CTM-ONE. To gain access to the dual SIM card holder, remove the 4 socket head cap screws using the Allen key provided. After completely loosening the 4 screws, lift off the cover. You may have to wiggle the cover to completely disengage it from the chassis. For single SIM card installation, insert the SIM card into the upper slot of the dual SIM holder. Ensure that the copper contacts are facing downward. If applicable, the second SIM card can be inserted into the lower slot of the dual SIM holder. Ensure that the gasket is in place when the battery cover is reinstalled. Tighten screws in a crisscross pattern until snug for optimal weather-tight seal. You have now completed the SIM card installation. Contact Cypress Solutions today to find the right solution for your business.